Hey Laura, it's Chris Reed here from Ardor SEO, and just so you don't forget about me, I thought I'd put together a little video audit for you to show you some of the huge potential you actually have for your website. So one of the things I've done first is gone over to a tool called SEMrush and type in your domain name. And I can see that certainly your lead generation through your website is very limited, as in the UK you're only ranking for 18 keywords, Australia 13, and the US 126. So I focused on the US market. And we can see here you're ranking for 126 keywords, but generating next to no traffic. And that is because none of those 126 keywords are on the front page of Google. So you can see here are the keywords that you rank for, and here's the position. And so this one here is the first one that you can see the only one that you can see on page 1, and that generates 66% of your traffic. So not a great start, but if we look at the potential, so here I've organized the keywords by cost per click. So how much you would spend if you were to buy that keyword with Google AdWords. And generally the higher the cost per click, the more valuable that keyword, the better it converts. That's why everyone's willing to pay much more for it. And if we look at this keyword, WordPress versus WordPress.com versus WordPress.org, you're number 56. There's 3,600 searches for that, and it's nearly $40 US a click. So that's a really valuable keyword. And look at all these other ones: WordPress.com versus org, again org versus com. All of these keywords, put them together, and that's a lot of traffic and a lot of value. And you're already in the top 100. Moving forward to the front page probably isn't a lot of work. If we go on down, there's a whole bunch of shoes and bra type keywords which aren't that relevant, but how to make affiliate links and things like that which are relevant. You are in the top 100, so it does show the possibility. So if we look at why you're not ranking so well, if we go over to Google and type in site colon your domain name, the first thing so this is all of your pages indexed in Google and ordered in what Google sees as the most authoritative to the least authoritative. First thing is your homepage is not the most authoritative page on your website. You can see here down at number 4. That's really strange. That shows that you've got some serious site structure issues, which would take some investigation as to why that is. Anytime that we see that, it's because that's exactly the issue. Your site structure is messed up. Next thing I can see is you don't have a HTTPS. You should really get an SSL certificate. It costs $5 a year, and give you a nice ranking boost and trust signal. So I'd certainly get one of those. And then look at your title tags and descriptions. They're not set very well. Like in your homepage, yes, you've got your name. If you're not ranking for that, then that's crazy. But it's really important to express what it is you do. If people know your name, they're already going to find you. You need to be telling them what it is you do. So things that really need to be looked at is your site structure. Looks like you've got plenty of content there, but it's just not ordered very well. So I'd look at how your pages are internally linking, how your site's laid out, look at your metadata, and that should give you a nice boost. So you already know who I am. That's me right there. Cool haircut. It's not so good right at the moment. But please click the button below. Let's book in another time to have a chat, because I'm really excited to work with you, probably when you get back from the US. Anyway, hope your trip when talking with Amy went really well, and we get to speak real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.